Hi everyone, Patrick Reid from the Adamus Principle. Lots of volatility in the markets. I prefer these kind of markets. I know it's scary and I know there's a lot of fear there. A lot of people have been hurt, turned over, carted out. This is when you've really got to keep track of that risk. Just stick to your rules and you'll be okay. There are lots of headlines today, mass market selling on risk. Trump, a couple of days ago, markets were expecting a stimulus package. All we got was an error-laden announcement talking about a foreign virus. So markets hated it. Subsequent tweeting after, trying to kind of amend some of the glaring mistakes in that address to the world. But, you know, 24 hours is a very long time. Yesterday, we had $1.5 trillion of liquidity offered up from the government into, the Fed, into the money markets. This gave risk a tiny bounce. Prior to that, the dollar, there was a funding shortage, a dollar squeeze, and that's why the dollar was rampant yesterday. So all of this makes the oil story seem insignificant. But there we had it. You know, 5 days ago we had it was all about oil. But the sands are shifting, and let's look at the first chart, euro dollar. As you can see, this 110.65 area, mid-Bollinger Band bounce. If we stay below the 111.88, you could see the 108.66 get tested. It's very volatile, and just be careful of that. Next slide. Okay, dollar yen. This looks like chopped liver. Just look at this daily chart. Brutal squeezes, quick sell-offs, but we are 106 area. If 106.88 holds, you might see a test of 104.50s. But it's all about the headlines, right? It's risk play. It's fear in the markets. 10-year, you know, going sub 1% a week ago, along with S&P dragging it lower and broad equities lower too. So this is all about risk and dollar as well. So very difficult to trade. Just keep it simple. Next slide. Okay, good old cable, 127.34, probably a good cap for now. 129 above that, but 123.27, not bad little level down there. A good bounce at 127.34 to the upside. Expect sellers to turn up here. And then Aussie dollar. Who says trend lines don't work, hey? Even in this uncertain fear-led market route. And finally, final slide. Look, if you're in any doubt, look at that, Dow Jones. Absolutely brutal. Do not be buying these dips. That's just my advice, desk strategy. Adamus Principle, watch that risk.